And so Busta Rhymes is a US rapper who is in South Africa currently and is attending different parties around the Johannesburg area. Last night he was in Sandton, and it looks like there was a phone that was missing in that nightclub, and Busta Rhymes took it upon himself to go out there and demand the iPhone 12 back because a lady had lost her phone during that time when he was there. And then he took it upon himself. And guess what? He offered some money as a payback for whoever has mistakenly taken the phone.
iPhone 12 for $5,000 US to the person that returns this young lady's iPhone 12.
Yes, trust Busta Rhymes to offer you 90k just to return the iPhone that was stolen. I just hope the lady got her phone back because I mean Busta Rhymes was on stage. Guess what? Yeah, but many people were thinking that it was Busta Rhymes' phone that was stolen and all that. But hey, it was not Busta Rhymes' phone that was stolen. It was a lady's phone that was stolen. And Busta Rhymes just took it upon himself to demand it. We just don't know if they got the phone back. I doubt. This is South Africa. This is Mzansi. You can hardly get your phone back. Even trying to block the phone is useless because there's always a shop at the corner that will unlock the phone, you know. So I doubt they'll get the phone back. If they get it back, they will be lucky. This is Mzansi. Yeah, it's a funny way to greet Busta Rhymes coming to South Africa. Anyway, that's all I had for you. See you again in the next upload. Legere mina, salute, minga tetimela.